Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making Copycat Texas Roadhouse seasoned rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of white rice, 1 onion diced, 1 stick of butter, 1/2 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 3 garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley flakes, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. In a heated pot, you want to add your stick of butter. And we're going to let that melt. You want your heat to be on medium. Once your butter has melted, we're going to add in our rice. And you want to mix it until it's well combined. And you want to continuously stir it for 4 to 6 minutes. Okay guys, as you can see, your rice has started to brown. So now we're going to add in our onion. You want to mix it until it's well combined, and we're going to continue to stir that for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to add in our minced garlic. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now you can add in your parsley flakes, your garlic powder, the ground black pepper, the cayenne pepper, and also your smoked paprika. And we're going to mix everything until it's nicely combined. Once combined, you can add in your low sodium soy sauce. Mix it till well combined. Now you're going to slowly add in your chicken broth. I'm going to go ahead and mix until well combined, and we're going to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to lower your heat to low, and you want to place your lid over top, and we're just going to let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Once your rice is done, you want to go ahead and turn off your heat. We're just going to go ahead and mix it. And make sure everything is nicely combined. Now you want to go ahead and put your lid back on top, and we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Okay guys, after the 5 minutes, you can go ahead and remove it from your pan. Okay guys, now you can go ahead and put a little bit of parsley flakes over top just to add some color. And here you have it. Your Copycat Texas Roadhouse seasoned rice. It tastes really good. It's full of flavor. It has a nice little kick to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?